So today is Cinegear Atlanta. A much smaller version of Cinegear, but it'll be fun.
Done. No more screws, no more screws.
Tyler with Matthew solving everyday problems. Simply though, that is so cool.
Even better is
That's one of my favorite parts right there. It comes off.
comes off, but the T-handle's not going to ruin your stand and dig into your stand.
Oh, what do you? Oh, you got it in a plate. Nice.
So your stand
Very
always
thoughtful.
Very
thoughtful.
Always looks like him.
That's
No more T-handle punch.
Okay.
Both hands. Here we go.
Got it.
Look through it with your face. Look at me. Ready?
Yep. Whoa. Polarizer. Yeah.
It's a variable ND, right?
Right.
Now imagine, I'm not out here spinning this. The motor's in here.
Okay.
It's a motorized polarizer, right? So that's great for car work. That's great for, yeah, now you're getting it. That's a motorized polarizer. You know what happens when I put these two together magnetically?
Oh.
Now is a variable ND that only
Right.
takes up a single, that actually takes up
Rotate
two
one,
stages.
the other stays.
Exactly. But also when you add power to it, now it is a mechanical step-based ND filter. It goes in 10 steps. So look at this one on the camera right here.
Right.
What does that say?
No, it didn't. It's running. It's running.
Never mind. What does that say right there? That's the readout that you get.
Yep. Okay. So 0.4. Yep.
Does a 0.4 exist?
No, not in my book.
Can you go to Tiffin and go get a 0.4?
Not today.
You can't. I see motion. You can go to 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, all the way to 1.9. Now the crazy thing about this is, you got this, right?
Yep. I got that. I want to get it.
Now, oh, you can leave here with one today, cause like, no tax, no tax. Oh, so now on the C Pro, there's a section here for filters. When's the last time you seen a filter selection on your hand unit? It's never. You find somebody, let me know. I'll beat them up. So, I'm gonna go into filter. Filter mode.
Right.
Mode.
Variable indeed.
Rotopolo. What's the synthate mode? You heard of that?
Oh, shit.
You ain't ready, bro. You ain't ready. You ain't ready. So we now have one system that knows exactly where the aperture is, knows exactly where the focus is. You can variable ND yourself accurately without just guessing about a dot system like everybody else. I now can change the depth of field without changing the exposure. I'm going to show you closing down on the variable ND while opening up on the iris at the same time, exactly slaved in sync,
We got
where
it
you
mapped
don't
out,
have
and it's.
any change in exposure at all. Ready for it?
Yeah, go for it.
Come here. No. You hit your mark right here.
All right, I'm on mark.
You want me to hold your purse?
Look at that monitor.
Oh, you
Oh, a little bit taller. Hang on. We can fix that. We're not even paying attention to the fact that this camera's putting focus on you by itself. We're not even going to talk about the camera. You by itself. Just do nothing. There's a 3D camera on top of the camera. We're not here to talk about that. Not yet. So, I'm going to press the user button. Filter mode is on. My base exposure I want to be an 11. And now I hit my limit mode. I'm going to go to my brightest, which is 2 1/3. And now, look at the monitor. Oh, wait. Same exposure.
definitely control the speed, but yeah, that's cool.
I'm doing the speed measure.
Melted away. That's kind of cool though. I can see some new shots. Folks, these shots with that.
Yeah, it's pretty slick. Alright, I'm gonna put you in a different way. There we go. I've gone beyond my base exposure at this moment, so it's going to be a little bit dark if you go from one extreme to the other.
That is pretty good. I mean, it's about
Pretty cool shot.
About 80%, I guess you get. That's cool though. No, that's cool.
You're not even ready.
Is it about 3D cameras?
Yes. That's child support.
Okay. Ready? Yeah, go for it. Impress me.
How about
Run it back.
you stand out there?
All right, then you gotta lower the camera. Can I have my beer back? I got my beer.
You sure that's yours?
Yeah.
Where's mine?
Vice versa.
Oh, that's gross.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah. I'm ready for
Next.
this.
So those two cameras you saw at the top?
Yeah.
They're stereoscopically.
Those are just two hydrogens, right?
Yeah, there's two heliums side by side.
Right.
Yeah, we couldn't find the hydrogens. This is a prototype. We weren't out yet. So those are stereoscopically paired. And now I can tell this computer to learn her face.
Okay.
Before I do that, I'm just going to double tap and say focus on her right now. We're going to go into tracking mode.
Which
T for tracking.
right at that moment. Yeah.
Now it's tracking her face. Take a step to your left. It just learned her face. I'm going to put a whole catalog of faces in here and say, this is Liam Neeson.
Right.
When he's in the frame, you focus on him. So, take a step back.
Have a benchmark for good looks.
Take 2 steps back. Big old steps back.
One hop this time.
Yeah. Now run right into the camera. Watch the top screen. Oh my gosh. Once you came too close, I saw.
Sure.
Step back, you dancing
I don't know what that is.
You know what's awesome? If I have a face here and a face there,
Right?
I can click on that one. You
Oh,
see how
just track the butt.
I know. It's object tracking. It's not even just face.
Oh, I like that.
You can do object tracking.
You shouldn't treat
and-
women as objects.
Wow. You know what? I walked right into that one, didn't I?
You did.
I did.
You got to focus.
My focus needs more focus. Anyways, so this is insane. So if I have 2 people, I can focus on the first person, right?
Right.
I'm gonna come out of tracking mode. And then the second person can be over here. I can go ahead and select that as a secondary target. And then here, I can hit switch, and it'll go
just
from
pop,
A
pop, pop.
to B. Now that rep speed can be anything you want. 1 second, 2
Watch
seconds,
this.
3
I'm
seconds.
Austin Lewis.
So now, I can be sitting here and I'm a camera technician. It's like I'm like a camera. Ready 1, go 1. Ready 2, and rack, and ready 2. Go to 3, ready 3, rack speed 3, and 3.
Armchair racing.
No, it means I'm a technician.
Yeah,
Hey, it's a pay raise.
Oh, yeah, it is. You know, a whole new group.
Yeah, whole new group.
Yeah.
This is not my focus point.
So this is what happens when you put engineering and brains, talent. You get it all.
You can have one, but it doesn't do that yet. I'm working that in
we
there.
need to figure that out.
I'm working that in there.
I can help.
This is Austin Lewis, first AC extraordinaire, and now technician.
And sales guy.
And
I
all around
always
good guy.
sold stuff. I sold myself for a living. I sell that the shots are in focus for a
He makes
living.
more money now.
Maybe.
See, there's Kevin.
Imagination Creation Films here, and
Can you be a
today
crate for your
we are
LED
at
tubes
Labeling
from
Cloud.
Sarah, Let Go, Quasar, Source Maker. Yeah.
I won.
The winner is
So we're just kind of enjoying a little bit of Blind Pirate. This is Kool-Aid. YouTube, please don't demonetize me. But we're also here with Travis Sawyer.
Hey, I'm drinking bubbly.
Travis, what do you do?
TV, commercials, and TV stuff.
TV stuff. And when you say TV stuff, what do you mean?
A few things for History Channel, things like that.
Very nice. I'm so ready for these. These right here, and this right here. Cinegear is over. I had a lot of nice conversations, a lot of cool stuff coming. Gonna do some cool reviews and some stuff. It's gonna be good. But I gotta figure out what my boys are. Oh yeah.